Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a beautifully renovated 4-bedroom, 4.5-bathroom house on Devon Road, Kingston 10. The location is incredible as it is close to Oak Road and Waterloo Road, and the renovation is top-notch. Pavers line the entrance to the house, and there is a front garden, a rear garden with a concrete deck, and a side garden, all of which have been landscaped. The kitchen and bathrooms are outfitted in quartz. The rooms have tray ceilings with recessed lighting. There are 5 ACs throughout the house, barn doors, a walk-in closet in the primary bedroom. Additional pluses include a large pantry, a solar water heater, a built-in garbage disposal, an intercom, and an electric gate plus staff accommodation. The land area of this house is approximately 7,204 square feet. Guys, let's take a look at this house, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 92 million or US $597,700. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.